U.S. Air Force to increase firepower of HH-60G helicopters. U.S. Air Force to equip its HH-60G Pavehawk helicopters with additional m240 machine guns for combat rescue. The Air Force will acquire 113 of the HH-60Ws over the next several years, and these will replace the aging HH-60G Pavehawk fleet, which is currently used in search and rescue operations for the U.S. military. The new helicopters have enhanced defense systems and vulnerability reduction, as well as improved hover performance, electrical capacity, weapons, and cybersecurity. The 943rd Rescue Group designed a concept to mount 4 additional m240 machine guns onto the HH-60G Pavehawk helicopter to provide more firepower to the 920th Rescue Wing's Personnel Recovery Task Force in contested environments. The wing searched for an innovative way to bring more firepower to the fight, and with the HH-60G scheduled to be retired, it had to be cost-effective and easily transferred to the new HH-60W Jolly Green II because of the similar design structures. The 943rd RQG operated within 3 constraints: utilize only available resources, work within Air Force manuals and technical orders to the maximum extent possible, and have minimal impact to manpower. Most HH-60 weapon configuration is comprised of 2 guns and any combination of the GAU-2C 7.62mm minigun, GAU-18/.50 caliber machine gun, or M240 machine gun. The team had a goal of adding 4 additional weapons onto the aircraft and examined what would work on both platforms. This concept required the integration or redesign of 3 separate parts to house 2 M240s on each door opening. First, a base stand from an existing cooperative project within the Air National Guard and Air Force Reserve was found to meet the requirements. Second, an aircraft mount that was previously utilized by the 55th and 71st Special Operations Squadrons for their .50 caliber gunship operations was added to the base. Third, working in conjunction with industry partners, the group took a 99 Malawian Quachas gun mount that was normally used for patrol boat operations to mount 2 M240 caliber machine guns and holds 1,200 rounds of ammunition. To use this mount, the 355th Maintenance Group at Davis-Monthan Air Force Base fabricated gun mount stops for proper operations within the aircraft. In a rescue scenario, one HH-60 outfitted as a gunship would integrate with the CSAR task force and provide additional self-escort capabilities. Should that aircraft be needed for rescue, such as a mass casualty, non-combatant evacuation operation, or embassy evacuation, the guns can be removed within seconds, instantly becoming an additional rescue vehicle platform. This airborne platform can become a land-based, defensive fighting position to defend an initial contingency location, temporary contingency location, or ICL forward. These capabilities will ensure that its crews are able to carry out their critical combat search and rescue missions and personnel recovery operations for all the U.S. military and its allies in contested and diverse environments. The HH-60W will be able to conduct day or night operations in hostile environments to recover isolated personnel during wartime, while it can be used in other military operations including civil search and rescue, medical evacuation, disaster response, humanitarian assistance, security cooperation/aviation advisory, NASA spaceflight support, and rescue command and control. The next step in the process is operational testing in coordination with the Air Guard Air Reserve Test Center before the system can be used and fired on flying aircraft. This capability increases the lethality of the PRTF and improves point defense and forward operations, and also increases the capacity for airbase ground defense in support of the projection of air power.